So,
there we go and the railway can already Nigeria and you go low on me. My to narrow come up. As you met our emissary of forget to buy calling animal, I really number and you have to verify again as Ogiro.
Meshie police kaya zola kan. Bi agola jan babana. A lawyer me call him sin. Me wa se phone ya yo wa to le mo ari nene police station. I go can get ya can do resolve e. A lawyer me na tama me where the same name is still on the system. Amari resolve nothing is clean, nothing is calm.
Hey, wahala. Wetin I dey hear again now? My people, I agree the four as untouchable mama. Also now they fine. Una do well, so now help me take the share, comment, like. God go bless una. Bet this video more still help me share now. Comment. Okay, my people. Una know say I do video concern the C of us, Princess Obanamen say she don't come out, come thank everybody, say everything don't resolve. So I can still come across another video where she still do again after this one where we say I put for my wall for there. They there where I tell us say they don't resolve the issue. So this one now she can't talk many things for it. I say the issue never still resolve. Say she call a lawyer. The lawyer tell her say see the name still there for sister. But as for me I believe say for the net to come up for system, it go take time. Okay, this one na just my own opinion because waiting there for system, you know, just resolve today, may just come out today. There needs to like sign paper, all those now understand what I mean. To sign paper, go give the head, go give this one, go give the headquarter, something like that, so that it go come up for system. I will put a video with ATM machine video where ATM machine tell us say everything don resolve. The one where Princess Obanamen tell us say don resolve, I don still post am for my wall. So this one where I go still post, so na Princess Obanamen still do one. The second one where be say she come talk say the thing never still resolve. So she no understand wetin dey go on. So because she first come and say e don resolve, but now her lawyer don still tell am say the name still there. My people, may I put the video, help me to watch this video, help me to like and share. Bye for now.
I'm sorry, A.K.A. Matter no between Princess Obanamen have been resolved today. So Wahala no go your way after waya wawese. No figure ke no ma figure waya wese. Ma be do pon wa. Princess Obanamen ma be pon our chairman ATM machine of Ovia. The way we are here now, everybody is happy. My yaya go kugbe. Right from the Kenana settle the matter. But ezogiro niya waya wawese everything on your media and wala o na drop me ya down. Wala ho. If you to okpa no my gbava auto is genuine. Anybody no you me adoto. Wa contact wa do anything investment you wanna waya wawese okinye ka. Abi workers o ya fe. David boss ya fe ya ewu waya wese o
when we live video with ya waya am
so
there we go and the railway can already Nigeria and you go low on me. My to narrow come up. As you met our emissary of forget to buy calling animal, I really number and you have to verify again as Ogiro. The lappy mammy nigga ya can talk one. If you give my community Princess Obanamen or see good say. So nobody my way you will so nobody ever about done. You know, you have to do your second and take our time with that one. We get them live video. Do they give you bono? No more. The my years of Sibuya. He do give me a guanyama. That he give me a Mogari says, maybe I got to see when open Marina, what dollar yo. Motoki and Ubona can Ubona, maybe a good afternoon. He do get mine to commodify the mini phone ever. We don't phone on up, Princess Obanamen. Why me, America, baby, in New Year. Can you not me go neck? We were working on Gigby. May we working on Gigby. We not setting matter on the Vena cook. We are come over, no guayo. If you be woman at here, Madam touch you many people. Why I need guaya or Agmanoa. Cannot table, no matter table or allow a moment before. If you do my bargain, yet me do then if you are or say number boy equipment. So at all, I teach you video. You anyway happiness in a room, anywhere that no be a walking. Attitude con Obanamen, while your power do not have man or even man. We need to do station of Yahu happiness in our ide gbe mi woni teme dama o yi teme dama o maka be teme dama gbe de but no ma se a ka ba o te do na ayo nyonge gbe yi tu me no riri ame kini na riri ame ya parking to me ave mi boy ave so wa we kono ame mu me no sheki ikuni maga ko kan ma ide gbe kon e mi ya su na e mi ita lo mama e manata lo ma ya me jobo ni aje no no mi jobo no ro ma be de re o te mu me ti se wan de wo ni woman ya bring go me down e ro kwa ro again iro ni but Obanamen ekinu wa do de se se wan e furo la bi wa o la bi wi ma ya o ya ni ga gbon no remedia ni mi no ma wa ya mi e mi na mu ge wan ida do ge ta no wa ni remedia na do ha go e ge de pe ya ku ya ga ti de e pija ni na mu ge ru no na bi godo na mo no bote na ya wa ya ni gbon he wa ya ma o na mi ri chema I will see chairman here, Ovia, the four of ya, he may get no rubber. Wahala, what the remediani, Kiddo Tau, I will your career in the chairman, I don't know if you could tell in like market. Oh, I am, Wahala, woo, even if I don't get good, I don't get it. I'm on about talk by Loud, come on, yeah. I'm on about talk by Oba redo ya nyarima ya
wa weso etien aware in resolve a issue na in the internal it calling on white police ni one call more than 8 times oma yama mfun wa go busy etien machine e police kan ya zola kan bi agola jan babana a lawyer me call him sin me was a phone ya you want to let Maria nene police station igogo kan ga ya kan do resolve hello ya me na tamame where the same name is still on the system amaris of nothing is clean, nothing is cancelled because your keke no vi arriva no ya resolve your keke not siona agreement paper ni mo keke no vioina the mayor is submitted so on any agreement paper with those two people you need to go and give it to the police people can come in to carry those evidence ni mo area Edo IG we no resistant me na wa column we cleaner for me the proof of all those people na no doctor ni e prove ya keke no ladian wa dege me na amagbonaki e ko gi agwe mo ladian babana mo ladia babana station video na ladia be video we ni ya fefefe mana be mwe pisho owi e resolve mi ya ne si na police na le no ba no be ni police e police na be call ni no mana be go police gwan where eni ya clean the system that when you assure a police ni me call a lawyer woman ga se va emi ya online the system re hello ya na tama megwe emi no resistant ye ni so samedo sanene mi o ye resistant moreover o ma ro pa ebe right no ya clean the system ni mi o keke na via agreement letter ni na mo do submit ni ya beba Edo IG o kan re see your phone me Edo IG re see your phone the police government Obaseki a government o kan sign a signature of a governor or a signature oge governor oro Obanamen wa dege o more than 2 years he came tell na ona do say police station me no keke no when yeso ruda where I need peace mo keke no when ni yeru na but on me medley and the police busekami ade me na ye be owi me ka ori owi na me ka o da we gwale peace e na ahia me de na 11th of March Monday 2024 then no time the police be ye resolve emi ya de okay ne ni one line the system no ya me we call me se kamero lekia ni se dia kia ni edo late mi no ma dia kia resolve you know what se phone you know what see you want that will samedo sanene mi the name is still reflecting on system. Why are you like this now morobo morogate machine? Why are you like this? You are made full of everybody now police people again I don't know what to say anymore. I don't know what to say. I just have to forward the we at here a code, a file, my file, the code of my file in Edo IG. I have to forward it to the police for police people to go there to see by themselves. It's all I can do. If you have the mind, to joke with police people like this, you will be joking with everybody. Everybody. Oduma VITM machine. I have nothing more to say. One women, that is what it is. One women kakabo. Ude even ya mu wede de rena. Ude even ya ka we equal enso. No resolve me na. Ude even see that way. You know they show the number. Ebomena wa call right moment. Ude get +32. Ude get na my boss we. Police na dey go egbo me phone. Igwa we be le. Why are you doing this omoro getting machine? Why are you doing this? Imami ebe na we ya we dey name here. Ebome lawyer we ya clean the system. That way all can resolve it. No 1 feet, no 100 feet, 100 by 100, 50 by 50. Option, agreement paper, everything in environment, maybe you are there, Edo IG. Yeah, where police or really see your phone, no. You get Edo IG, or you see your phone, or you the lawyer man, signed by a governor. Governor, now they sign now. They see your phone and governor, they sign down. Oduma VITM machine. More than 2 years, Ike Gwakamina. Whenever I'm imagine, you have to hold my police where make I call my lawyer. Everything don't come off for sister. Okay, I'm aware. In a gele well, okay. My mommy woman writing or you clean anything for system. Edo IG. Mia Gualo is the proof. Manon agreement paper, lawyer will sign this sign. Any I do IG or clean me or arrange me the system or make near where we are resolving for now. This place belongs to Princess Obanamen. This place belongs to Princess Obanamen. The 100 feet and the 50 feet that resolve together is now Princess Obanamen land. Or where agreement paper is signed by lawyer, your lawyer, everything. Why be a baby memo of you are the mocha of you miniseva? Lawyer making a view an agreement paper that I view seven here to find out. There you get no. Obaseki ke sign na governor they sign na cause kimi ni who I never saw you win a body who are they different. Oduma VITM machine. The whole world have seen that was really looking for peace. No, when I police there are so many more that are supposed to do for trespass, for doing this, for want to publish my nakedness, for saying this lot of things. There are many things I, Princess Obanamen, am supposed to do because I need peace. I just need peace. I just need peace. Because I know they like for trouble. I know they want trouble. I just need peace. What will the policeman will say now? When I forward those things to him this evening, what will he say? That you have the mind to trick them, to deceive them, to tricks. What will that police man say? I was even happy, rejoicing, taking pictures together. First time we are recording, I was even saying that I forget anything. I need peace. Why? Where I'm making and I agree. I'm making and I agree. On my map, we had a map for game in the world where 19 machine. Babana, me working in the station now. Ya no. Balame kwe bedo momu wa was so in a way I would be ladder my bite. Igba ladder was so happy. Imera where okay, when I'm my phone is your wa. Iruleke na me wa can resolve enemy yama. I was so happy. ATM machine. ATM machine. Oduma. What have you done? I don't have anything to say more. I dey try to call that policeman more than 7 times now. A policewoman, he not pick for a call. I just have to send the file number to him. I have to send the file number to her so that he can send the boys to Edo IG to see all the information there that you came to A.K.A. to lie to them, to make fool of them or what? Itai. I'm your one cover. Oma, ya we no ma here. Afare bo meje na. Ya we no ma here. Saloba wo lo kwen pok banya yin. Ogi no keke. Me we police o, they no wait a police station, me we matter no. A lawyer me we o we Edo IG. Any or call a lawyer man, or calling here, or do you see your phone in here? A governor almost to sign it, or by secure sign it, see your 4 paper sign it. And in our year, clean. And we not reflect in the system, almost to write the agreement letter. Agreement letter and is signed by the person he sold the land to, and the other one, here he resolve any agreement paper, or the amen, or the amen, the lawyer, or your summit me. It will take time for them to be finding the faults and everything. When everything is okay, Obaseki do sign and you don't see your phone. Yeah, when you are aware. On a me one here, my guy. Unagi cock book on a winame. Wadega, I don't know some more. Wadega, I don't know some more. Wadega, I don't know some more. Who dare let the ATM machine if we are women illegal now? When they even the ATM machine if we are women illegal now. A lawyer not a mama baba na where. Any right no ya resolve. Any right. Agreement paper ni own right. You not your that he where Edo IG any your resolve the issue. Here don't wear your sister. Here don't have any aya we me ya. Always always of your ATM machine always of you. Obanamen. Ti igual a piscina we my police station where. Imegi kene modere ina seva e force record gebe ni yagogo ina ri apon mu gbawe wa ya wese ATM machine. Why are you making fool of all those people that love you? Why are you making fool of all those people that want peace? Why are you making fool of all those people that really want things to be okay? Why are you making fool of government? Why are you making fool of yourself? Why? I have nothing more to say. Yeah, what forward they find number, forward everything to the policewoman. They should send their boys to Edo IG to see everything on the system. No. Respect police, Money is not everything in this world, A good name is better than a bad name. Money is not everything at all. Money is not everything in this world, ATM machine. Doing the right things matters a lot. Unbelievable. Even in our me phone you why ya forward them ya ni one a policeman you know dege me ya. Then he forward the again. Iyolokun